Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Trix indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Trix indicator, but before we do, wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 43 indicators, and out of those 43 indicators, 13 of them have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now, of course, you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 13 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator will be the Trix indicator. And the Trix indicator basically is a momentum / trend indicator kind of coupled into one. It is a zero line cross, and so the red line, of course, here indicates the zero line, and the blue line here indicates the Trix line itself. And so as any other zero line indicator goes, when it crosses up above the zero line, that is a signal to go long. When it crosses down below, that is a signal to go short. And that is how we will be testing it today. So let's get on with testing the Trix indicator and see what exactly it can do for us. Let's see, we got our first signal right here. Of course, as everybody knows, we are on a random pair and a random year. Our take profit and stop loss designated by the ATR is right here. If you don't know what I mean by that, there is a whole video explaining how that works. Looks like the first signal was a winning trade. It's like a rather significant winning trade at that. Did very well. Alright, there is our next signal. Unfortunately, yep, looks like we got stopped out on that one. So we are at 1 win, 1 loss, and trucking along here. Doesn't look like it is giving very many signals, which can be just as problematic as giving too many trading signals. You gotta have enough trading signals in 1 year's time to make it worth your while and profitable. And if you're only getting 1 or 2, or even 3 or 4 in a year, it's not gonna do too much for your account. Now, what I might do is slap a moving average on this indicator and test it that way as well. see what it can achieve using a moving average as a 2-line cross, because it looks like it is not going to give us much. We'll have to excuse all the rumbling in the video today. There is a thunderstorm taking place where I live. I think it's actually quite soothing. Sound of rain and thunder in the background. Yeah, it looks like the Trix indicator is only going to give us 2 signals. Oh, there we go. We got another one out of it. There's one more, and it looks like it did hit the. Hold on, let's measure it out here. Right there to there. Yep, it hit it. We are darn near the end of the year now. Oh, there we go. It slowly arced out another one. And let's see. Yep, it was within there, and yep, we got a win out of it. So, yeah, definitely. See what 4 trades, and 3 of them were winners. So that is a 75% win rate. Definitely gonna put it on the yes list for the moment. Like I said, I think I'm gonna slap a moving average on it as well. Test it with a moving average. See if we can't get some more signals out of it, and see what kind of reliability it will hold at that point. There is one thing that I did want to discuss, and that is the best trading demo for beginners. I believe that TradingView is by far one of the best trading platforms all around, regardless of whether you are a beginner or whether you are a advanced trader. It has tons and tons of features, and I actually did a video explaining all the different features of TradingView and why I think that it is a absolutely amazing platform to trade off of. But one thing that sets it apart from many others is that it has a absolutely wonderful demo trading account. It is part of the paid version, but TradingView is not that expensive per month. I think the paid version that allows you to demo trade is around $20 a month. But as I have shown many times, it has a paper trading simulator to the account here that really is like trading in real life. I can't tell you enough how great it is. And so if you are a beginner looking for the best demo trading account that you can use, I highly recommend you get on TradingView. You check it out, you pay the little bit, you can just buy it for 1 month and try it out, see if you like it. If you don't like it, then so be it, cancel and go back down to the non-paid account and go from there. But it is definitely worth checking out. So once again, I highly recommend it. Jump on here and trade away and see what kind of money you can make with the different strategies that you have learned or the different indicators that we are showing here. So there you have it. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.